Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021 this year, so it must be Caravan Salon 2021. 2022 range from Vantura, and so I'll just show you where we are to start off with. Here's a explanation of Mein Platz. This is Knaus Tabbert's hall, but this little bit here is from Koblenz-based Vantura, and I've started off looking at this van here, the Urban, because it's got a nice colour, and it's always good to start off with something that looks like a nice colour, and it probably costs a fortune, but it's actually not for sale. It's just a sort of a prototype here, and the object I think is to show you a van with a television inside and a tent in the roof. And this is slightly different to what they normally do. This is effectively the Vantura's answer to Westfalia, as far as I can see. Anyway, now Vantura do vans based on the Fiat Ducato, and what they try to do is do things which are a little bit more practical. For example, they have diesel heating, and let's have a walk around actually. Now there's stacks of people here, and there's also a lot of noise in the background, so I hope you can hear me. Here we have a Fiat Ducato, 541 centimeters in length, tent in the roof, and I'll take you around the back because I was not going to get in the front. And okay, this is the first day. Now what here though is curious, you can see, is that the rear bed can go up and down, depends how much cargo or whatever you're traveling or taking in the back, bicycles or whatever. That is, I think, a very useful feature. The price of that, of course, is you're not going to have much space under the rear storage compartment. On this side there's nothing. That makes a lot of sense, but on the other side there isn't much. You could say, well, how about getting rid of the rear storage compartment? That would be a good idea, and because getting rid of that, you'll actually create more space down here. But that is, look how much space you do have down here. If you want to get into bed, you've got some steps up there, and there's even something in the floor down here. I wonder what this could be. There you go. That's your beer compartment, and I'll show you where you fill the beer up on the outside of the vehicle. And let's walk around here. So we've got here, that's where your empty beer comes out. That's the boiler, the exhaust. That's where you put the fuel in. Don't get the fuel and the beer mixed up, because the car doesn't run on beer. And so, well, I can't show you where the beer goes in, because the beer container, or to look at how much, I think it contains about 100 litres of beer you can actually put in to the van. Now, if you can't get beer, you can use water as a substitute, and if you're in Sweden, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between either in any case. Alright, 6 meter long van here. And so we see this one here has done us the favour of actually closing the blackout back blind. Let's go around the back, see what it looks like there. Oh, didn't give you the price last one. This is from 51,500 euros. You won't find one that costs 51,500. No one's ever paid the price from. But the advantage here is you can put the bed up in that position, thus making room for the bicycle. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this is a longer vehicle. So it comes in 3 sizes. This is the 636 centimeter, and this thing here is going to cost, these are packets, well, it costs something, There's not much difference in the sizes. Sorry, there's differences in the sizes, not much difference in the price by the time you get onto the sizes of vehicles. This one here's got 2 double bunks in the back. I mean, obviously, if you might have just one bed in the back if you wanted. All sorts of options there. Here's a 6 meter long van. Let's have a look at this. Again, from 52,000. And from here we can see that there's absolutely no difference between this and every other Fiat Ducato camper van at this event. Well, okay, it says that the mattress has a lounge function. I wonder what that means. As a rule, you may have seen this thing here will go up. There you go. Goes up like that, gives you a bit more space, and I suppose that's what it means by lounge function. You can sort of lounge on it whilst it is up. But the bed, of course, is absolutely enormous. On the left we've got the toilet, kitchen on the right, and well, maybe we'll see this in more detail when there isn't anybody here. Why am I filming now when the stacks of people are around? Well, it's the only time to do it. That's a pretty good idea, isn't it? So we're going to have a look at this one here as the final one. This is a Mercedes, and this is a car. Oh, this is a press conference now. This is what I came here for, the press conference. And see lots of people here. Anyway, let's have a look at the car. Right, well, oh, that's good because you can see the bed laid out. That is, and there's the seating system, and there's now one which is already up. Here we've got the 2 burners, sink, the fridge should be here. What's happened to the fridge? Oh, that's where the water is. Oh, sorry, what am I saying? Fridge is up there. Fridge opens up down there. Right, out wastewater tank, 10 litres only. Mobile outdoor kitchen. So the kitchen, this unit here, can be taken out and if required. So it's like a modular system. It can come out and you can sort of make your food somewhere around here, for example. Tent in the roof. Let's have a look. I'll show you up there. I hope you saw that because I didn't. Let's come around the back. Oh, here, and here's the kitchen, which has been taken. Here's one they took out earlier. So stick this outside. Your water's in there anyway. So okay, I suppose that's a reasonable idea, if a little bit possibly on the not very practical side. Right, gas. The gas, it's the smallest canister. The reason it's the smallest canister is because the heating is via diesel. So if you're just cooking with it, then really you're not going to need too much of it. And presumably you're going to, that's going to be connected to the outdoor kitchen as well. I don't know how much this costs, but I'm going to guess it's around 80,000 euros. There you go. So that is Vantura. There's the press conference. Vantura at Caravan Salon 2021. So in the Knaus Hall here, and I've actually talked about Knaus in other videos, or some of their vans in other videos. And if you've seen any of my videos in the past, you will know that I have a very negative opinion of Knaus as a company. Anyway, so let's finish off with Vantura, and we're going to finish off with this one because this is a nice colour. It's always nice to finish as well as to start with a nice colour. I hope you could hear me above the racket in the hall. So thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.